Hi guys, hello everyone. Myself I am Rajesh HM. Now let us discuss about the subject is software engineering and project management. Applications of the project management in the production. Project management is a critical component in the world of the production where efficient process, resources and allocations and risk mitigations are essential for success. By applying the revenue project management principles, organization can unlock new levels of the productivity, quality and profitability. Project management principles. So there are the three types: planning, execution, monitoring, and control. First one is planning. Establish clear objectives, define scope, and develop a comprehensive project plan. Execution. Implement the plan management resource and ensure the tasks are completed on time and within budget. Third one is monitoring and control. Continuously track progress, identifying the management, make adjustments as needed. Aligning project with the business objectives, strategic alignment, value creation, organization agility. Strategic alignment ensure that all the project directly support the organization overall business and strategy and priorities. So, second one is value creation. Identify the optimized project that deliver the greatest return on the investment and drive growth. Organizationality agility. Maintain the flexibility to adapt projects as business needed and market conditions evolve. Effective resource allocation. First one is capacity planning. Second one is task prioritization. Third one is flexibility and adaptability. First one is capacity planning. Accurately assess the availability and skills of your team to ensure the optimal resource utilization. Task prioritization. Prioritize and success sequence tasks to maximize productivity and meet deadline. Third one is flexibility and adaptability. Be prepared to adjust resource assignment as project requirements as priorities changes. So this is the project chart. Optimizing production work flow, process movement. Identify and eliminate inefficiency, bottleneck and waste in the production process. Standardization. Implement standardized procedures and protocol to ensure consistency, quality and efficiency. Third one is automation. Leverage technology and automations to streamline repetitive tasks and enhance productivity. Fourth one is continuous optimization. Regularly review and refine production workflow to adapt the changing the new conditions. Mitigation and contingency planning. First one is identification. Proactive identify potential risk that could disrupt production and impact project outcome. Second one is assessment. Evaluate the likelihood and potential impact of each risk to prioritize mitigation efforts. Third one is mitigation strategies. Development and implement strategies to reduce or eliminate the identified risk. Fourth one is contingency planning. Establish backup plans and alternative approaches to address unaccepted disruptions. Improving quality control and insurance. Inception and monitoring. Implement robust quality control measure to identify and address defects and non-conformance. Continuous improvement. Analyze quality data to identify root causes and implement corrective action. Customer certification ensures that the final product meets or execute customer expectation and requirements. Enhancing productivity and efficiency, streamlining workflow, eliminate waste, bottleneck and non-value added activities to improve process efficiency. Workforce development, invest in training and skilling employees to enhance their capabilities and productivity. Leveraging technology, adapt innovative technology and automated human efforts and increase output. Fostering collaboration and communication. Clear communication. Establish effective challenges for information sharing and feedback to ensure alignment. Collaborative mindset. Promote a culture of cooperation and cross-functional collaborations to solve problems. Transparency. Provide use visibility into project progress milestones and decision-making process. Employee engagement. Empower and motivate the workforces to actively contribute to project success. Measuring and reporting project performance. Key performance indicator metric target to on-time delivery, percentage of project completed by the scheduled deadline. The target is 95%. Budget adherence, percentage of the project completed within the allocated budget. Target is 90%. Quality compliances, percentage of product that meets or exceed quality standards. The target is 98%. Productivity improvement, percentage increase in output per unit of input, labor or material, etc. Target is 10%. Thank you.